channel. If this is your first time here, I want to say welcome. Thank you. If you are returning, guys, you already know what time it is. I look forward for the comments in the comment section where we get to chat it up. Guys, don't forget, comment, because this is where I get to know your likes and dislikes, and you get to know my likes and dislikes of fragrances and all the other incredible fragrances that we want to try. So comment, guys. Definitely like this video, because that way I know you like it, YouTube know you like it. That will help my channel tremendously. So guys, newbies, I thank you guys for subscribing. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel as yet, check that subscribe button. If it's red, you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe, then hit the bell, the notification bell. That way you'll be the first to know when I upload a video. Guys, come on, I have some amazing fragrances to bring to you. You know we like to bring those hidden gems that nobody's talking about. Yes, those unique, extraordinary, name it, I'ma find it and bring it to you guys. My name is Nika, and here on my channel we love fragrance. We love to smell expensive. We love to leave a trail. Yes, we do. So hop on, let's leave a trail. Let's all smell expensive together. Guys, today I am coming to you with a baby that I discover. Oh my gosh, listen. This house give me chills. It give me feelings. It got me all up in my feelings. It giving me, listen, it's another class of luxury, literally, I think. And once you smell it and try it, you're gonna say the exact same thing too. Listen, when I tell you guys this is, let me just show you and then we continue with the rest. Yes, guys, we are back. Let me just show it to you guys. Here it is. Floraiku. So this is the amazing bento box that the fragrance come in. This alone is class. So this should just tell you what to look forward to as we dive in. Floraiku. Guys, what this reminds you of? Japanese, the Asian kind of style. Yeah, you're heading right. Look at this beauty in here. Check this out. So let's talk about Floraiku a little before we get to smelling this amazing scent that's gonna change and blow your world. Literally, it's gonna blow your mind. The Floraiku is inspired by Asian sophistication. Its sense of refinement, excellence, and detail. Each of 3 collection pays a tribute to specific ceremonies. So they have like the black bottles, the blue bottles, and the white bottles. So each one of those bottles represent one of the ceremony. You remember I told you guys there are 3 collections. The first collection is from the Ikebana ceremony, which are the blue bottles. Then the second collection is the Ocho ceremony, which are the white bottles. Then we have the third ceremony, the third collection, which is for the forbidden incense, which is the Kudo ceremony, and those are the black bottles, which is this one. I'm going to show you. This whole entire house is elegance, class, luxury. Check it out, guys. Google it. So here, it's the, I think it's 100 ml. I'm not sure. No, I lie. 50 ml. So we have this. And with it comes a reading. It's a red dragonfly under the burning sky. The sound of Ricochet, which is this fragrance. Sound of Ricochet, Floraiku. See this, guys? And this cap now is amazing. Check this out. You hear the hollowness of this? So in this bento box, we have the fragrance. We have one cap, which is also used as a purse spray. Another a little atomizer to go, and you get a 10 ml that comes with it also. So there we go. So the big cap becomes a atomizer. Then we have the little cap. Go on here. No, I lie. Goes on here. And this one goes here. So our big cap becomes a atomizer dispense. Very nice and portable. Walk, purse, hit it in your purse. And you don't have to walk with your big bottle. We have, since I show you guys how we all put it together, so we can take it off back. And it carries a little weight also. Take the vial out. So with this now, the design is the red dragon. The reading on here, the red dragonfly. As you can see, the red dragonfly in here. And this is like a letter, the stitching at the back, the name, everything up here. Just freaking classy. That's all I can say. This is next to the fragrance now. I know that's what you're waiting for, so yes, I'm gonna get there. Before we get there, guys, do not forget to check out my birthday giveaway video. Check that out, guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also follow the official rules. You never know, you can be a winner for a free fragrance. Guys, this Sound of a Ricochet, this is the 50 ml. This is an oriental vanilla woody fragrance, because they have the notes up in here are sandalwood oil, vanilla extract, tonka bean, absolute. And guys, I'm gonna spray a little, because listen, oh yes, guys, the first time I wore this thing almost made me cry. That's how good, in a joyous way. This thing give you feelings. I don't know, it puts you in this mood of excitement, joy. It's like you ever be happy for no reason and wonder why you're so happy? This will do that to you, honestly. Whew. Look at this, guys. You see, you can barely see anything here. So you're not seeing any big oil stain on your skin. This is upper level luxury class. This is classy, it's sophisticated, mesmerizing. When you spray this and you smell it, guys, oh God, it's just another level. That's all I can say. This is everything you need in a fragrance. Velvety, sweet, vanilla. Listen, guys, I don't know how much to express. When I said this would get you hooked, you would be like a crackhead on this. You need it. This is for class. This is not for everyday spray, at least for me. But I know I want to smell classy all the goddamn time. I spray it almost all the damn time. But yes, lately I've been on this journey for fragrance that kind of move you mentally, physically, emotionally. Yes. And I've been finding them. This is what you look for in a fragrance. This is everything that you need. It's bringing out the vanilla that it's bringing out on my skin. When it mixes, oh gosh, longevity, sillage, projection, 10. And you know I'm a heavy sprayer, guys. And with this, you do not need to spray a whole lot, because 2 spray give you, it scent the entire Haul. Whatever room you spray in, listen, you be smelling I'm not a signature scent type of girl, but listen, I want this sign to my goddamn name. Yeah. This is so close. I think, y'all know how I was telling you about Annie, Nishanane, how it bowled away? Guess what? This passed the way of Nishanane for me. I tested the sample first and sprayed on my clothes. I washed my clothes. As I was ironing my clothes, guys, the scent rise. I washed my clothes. Yeah. I pressed my clothes, and as I was ironing, the scent rise again. I was like, God damn. Listen, these are not cheap, but Lordy, I need me more. Floraiku, if you can hear me, I can be a spokesperson. I would definitely like to sample the rest of your fragrances. Oh my gosh. This is mind blowing. So please, hook a girl up. I'm ready. Damn, this is so good, guys. I'm not even joking. I'm not kidding. This is something to get your nose on. Get the sample box if you don't want to blind buy. And also the wood is a wood-based fragrance. The woodiness that you get. Oh my God. Listen, guys. I don't know what else smell like this. If you like Nishan Ane, it double to triple it, Nishan Ane. I'm just saying, my thoughts. Tell me what you think. If you have any of Floraiku fragrance, comment down below. I cannot wait to start a conversation and tell you guys about this some more. If you want to know, whatever you want to know, hit me up. If you have this fragrance, tell me what it does on your skin. This is jumping on my skin. This is sparkling. This is sending signal. I'm like a tower. It's just signaling all this thing. Longevity and projection. My guy was like, damn, you smell good. Listen, I smell myself all the damn time. I said, damn, Nikki, you smell good. Yeah. So you want all of that? And that is what I know people look for in a fragrance. Look no further, guys. Look no further for this. So I could go on and on about this fragrance, literally. It's amazing. It's classy. It's sophistication. It's luxury at another level. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and listening to me rave about this fragrance. I know once you smell it, you'll do the same. Tune in for my next video, guys, and do not forget, subscribe if you have not. Also, check out my birthday giveaway, guys. Thank you, guys.